What is up, guys? Welcome to another video of your ORS training. We are going to be setting up our Stripe payment gateway here. So what you're going to do is create a Stripe account. So go to stripe.com and sign up for an account. That should be really easy to do. And once you've done that, you should see a page like this. We created a test account and we're going to be using these test API keys for integrating with our ORS. Now, before doing that, you want to have your ORS live at this point, because you have to use a live URL to integrate the site with Stripe. So if you're using our hosting, this is going to be the site name. Make sure you have enabled SSS, and to do that, just go to the primary domain you're using and and you should see a voice that says enable SSL. Click on that. It shouldn't take more than a second. As you see, it says your SSL has been enabled. And after that, once this is done, this is the site you're gonna be logging into this site and connecting Stripe to the live site, because there's no point in connecting it to your local one because your computer is going to be off. You want to start accepting payments with your live site. And so let's go ahead and do that. So make sure you're logged into the live site. You should be seeing your dashboard as this. Scroll down, click on payment settings. It should take you to your shop settings. And if it doesn't take you to this page, just click on shop settings payments. You should see all the different payment options that are available. Go to Stripe, click on manage. You should see something like this. Make sure it says enable Stripe. This is the title that's going to appear as a payment option on the checkout page. So it's probably going to be credit card. If you want, have in parentheses Stripe and add a small description. You can leave this as is, not a problem. Let's go back to your Stripe dashboard and click on home. Click on get your test API keys. These are your test API keys. And just go ahead and click on the publishable key. It'll be copied to your clipboard. Go back to your Stripe settings and paste it here. And do the same thing with the secret key. Go here, reveal test key. And it'll show it to you. Maybe it'll ask you for a password. As it does for me, it'll ask you for a password. And then just copy it, paste it here. And now for the webhook secret. This is the reason why your site has to be live. If you look at this, you should see a URL. Now, this is what I'm seeing. Yours is going to be different according to the URL of your live site. So you're going to go ahead and copy this to the clipboard. Go back to Stripe. Click on developers, webhooks, add endpoint. Copy the URL here. Nope, I didn't copy it. So yeah, copy this to the clipboard, paste. If you want, give it a description, but it's pretty self-explanatory because you will be seeing the URL of your site here. And then no need to select any events, say receive all events, add endpoint. It's gonna ask for a password, okay. I might as well do it because there are some steps after this. Okay, so it'll be, let's hope I don't remember. This was auto logged in. It worked. Okay. Now it's gonna ask you for the signing secret. You're gonna click here, and this is what you are going to copy and paste into your webhook secret. Okay. Now you're gonna have to do the same things for the live keys because these are your test. These are the test mode. You can test out your site using Stripe when this is enabled. But when you want to start accepting payments live, you're going to have to remove this option, and you're going to have to copy these into here the same way we did with the test ones. But before doing that, you are going to have to activate your account. So we have activated our email address. You're going to have to do that. Then you're going to have to activate your Stripe account. And to do that, you just have to, provide all the information about your business And if all is good, this will unlock, and it's going to be basically the same thing we did for the test data. You're going to be doing that for the live data. And to do that, once this is unblocked, you're just going to click here, and you're going to see these things here. Then when you go to the webhook secret, you're going to have to make sure that you click this button so your account it shows you live data. You're going to see you will see here viewing live data. Once you see that, you go ahead and click on webhooks, add an endpoint to your live data. You should not be seeing test data because you already did this. And then just do the same thing we did before. Always make sure that this is the URL that you are seeing here. Once you've done that, these are add a statement descriptor. So in my case, it would be ORS maybe. In your case, it is just maybe a very short, very few letters descriptor, so that when someone sees it in a receipt or in their credit card description, they know that it was referring to something they bought on your site. You can change these if you want, otherwise no. This is pretty cool. You can activate it if you want to. The people are able to pay through Apple and Google, and it's pretty cool, I think. So activate it, gives more payment options. And then that's it. Just say save changes. You should be good to go. Always remember to remove this when you're ready to start accepting payments and your site is completed. That's basically it right now for Stripe. I'll be seeing you in the next video.